Now can you hear? No sound. Okay. Now it's okay, right? Is it okay now? Sorry for delay for about 10 minutes. Yeah, good morning and happy new year to everyone. So a bit of technical issue just now. So very sorry about that. Okay, welcome to the live channel. So welcome to my channel, double volume bullish channel. This is the channel to teach every trader to be more professional in the trading. So that's the introduction. So today I will cover up about two things in the 2023. So first of all, of course, for the new year. So remember that bottom is in the investment world doesn't end. Yeah. So for the 4 years low or 5 year low or 10 years low, it can be go to 10 year or 15 years. So this is by Jim Roger. So this is important. So second thing it will be I will tell you how to become rich. This from Warren Buffett, not from me. Close the door. Be faithful when others is greedy. Be greedy when others is fearful. So this is very important for the starting of the 2023. So of course, the 2023, you can see that this is in the Chinese. So I plug it from my colleague. So this is where you can see the Indonesia market is the best of the last year. So we can say the last 2022 22 is the best. So you need to focus on the market that you want to do. So you really want to study it before you just go in for your 2023 years. Okay, so you have to do a bit of research which actually market is more important. If you do multiple market or you just want to focus in Malaysia market, that's okay. So you just focus in the Malaysia market. So there will be a the starting of the year. So you don't simply do. Okay, let's see this chart. Yeah, this is the year candlestick for the KLCI. So you can see that from the bottom here. So about the bottom here is starting of the KLCI. So you can see that the five actually is a 5 years bullish. So from the beginning. So after that will be a you can see that there is going down for 4 years and then going up 4 years again. So going down 1 year, down then bullish for 3 years. So you can see that the pattern is like just form as it is. So after that is a 2 years bullish and then 1 year bullish. So this is the beginning of the KLCI until this calendar. So later we can see the uh, the chart itself. So after that, what we need to do is from the cycle. We can say that the cycle is end with the 5 3 2 1 and on the bullish candle. So it's starting at 1 2 2 and then 5. So it doesn't go along that 1 1 2 3 4 5 like this or 1 3 5 or odd number or even number or in the series number. Okay. So but however you can see that this is the what we call it the pattern that always happen all the time. So you can see that from this year we end this year. So this year onward, you can see that one bullish year. So it's like 2 and then 2 years, and then followed by the 5 years. So after that, it will be 3 years going down in a row, and then 1 year bullish, 2 year in a row, and then 1 year bullish. So many people will forecast this year will be the bullish candle. So 2023 will be the bullish candle, and then will end the training. Okay, so this is how you need to focus how the year start and the year end. So you can see that the other thing is you go 9 years downtrend. So this is 9 year downtrend. One 3 and 2 3 and then third 3. So the next one, it might be going to be the bullish as well. So this is the higher possibility that we are talking about the better years for the 2023. So it depending how it's go for the first month. Yeah, the first one is very important. So if it's possible to go down, yes, it's also possible to go down. But the possibility is on the bull side. So it's highest comparing to the bearish market. So you can see that this is how we actually take some time to analyze the market. So this is 4 until here. This is 9 years. So it's turning to the uptrend. So this is 4 5 1 2 3 4. This is turning point for the downtrend. So here is a 4 5 and then 4. So this is turning up for the uptrend. So so every time we see that 9 years and then will be a turning point. Yeah, so after that this is the 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4. So end of the 9 years trend. So yes, every time we talking about 9 year trend. So what we go see that for the 2023, it might be going to the turning point for the candle like this or like this. So where is it? So we have the every time going up and then going down. So hopefully this is the downtrend. So then we going up again. So this is the trend that you can see that many for the at least 5 years. If that's showing that 2023 is a bullish candle, so there will be a 5 years trend for you, okay, in the Malaysian market. So you can go to the week chart as well. So I go change to week chart. So after we change the week chart, it's all the same. So you can see that week chart work equally almost the same. So you can go back. I did some of the you can see that in the week chart. So you go 1 2 3 9 years 9 weeks. So this is 9 weeks as well. This is 9 week down. So this 9 week uptrend. So 9 week down. So followed by 1 week. So after that it's going up slightly. So the end with the bullish candle. So the last week of the of December is a bullish candle. So this is how you actually can go. This is a week chart. So you can go to the day chart as well. So this is a week chart. So we go to the day chart as well. So day chart also quite similar. So you can count by 9. So when to start, you start at the bottom. Okay, so you start at the bottom here. So this is 3 6 9 and here, and then 3 6 9. The trend is ending. 3 9 is ending here. So every 9 days, the trend might be ending similarly in the previous reversal trend. So this is 396. So about this is the we call that the sideways. So 3 9. So got another week. Yeah, so 1 2 3. So got another week. So to make sure this week is the uptrend. So if this week is uptrend, so next week will be continuing to be a reversal trend. So you have to forecast first. Yeah, so this is how you actually use the every 9 months, 9 years, and 9 weeks to or 9 days to do some of the forecast on your trading. So that's how you can actually make some conclusion. So if this year we're talking about the good year, we're talking about bullish candle. How is the trend going? How far can be a bull market? How big is this? We're not sure, but what we need to do is we need to know that this year might be a better year for the KLCI. Okay, we're talking about the method. So first of all, we use ABC method. So it's simple. It's not difficult. So this is the ABC method. So I just want to show you week by week. There's some little bit small method that you can use. So any downtrend, so any downtrend, So you can see the downtrend with end with the lower. So this is a low point. So we're talking about this is a low point. So this is a low point here in the range. Yeah. So if this is a low point in the range, so you have to be using this as your trading measurement. Okay, this is a low point in the range. So after that, you can see that the one of the candle, bearish candle, cross below this lowest point. So this is a cross below the lower point. So this candle we mark as a. Okay, this candle you mark as a. So after that, you wait for the B candle. So B candle is which one is a breakdown the this candle lowest point. So this is the B candle. Yeah. So you get it? Okay, you get it? Give me a reply in the chat room. So if you get it, yeah. So this is how you actually need to continue doing your what we call that the learning. So first look for the in the range. So this is in the range. Yeah. So the downtrend in the range. This is the range. Okay. After that, you look for the candle the day that break down the lowest point on this lowest. Okay. After that, this candle. So break down the A candle lowest. Okay. Yes. So easy. Yeah. So after that, what you need to do is you wait for the trend to be swing up until the highest point of the A. So this is the higher point. This is a buying position. Okay. So this is a buying position is in the short term. So we call it in the range. So you use ABC method to trade to make your training we just pick any stock to test the method. So any stock. So this is the lowest in the range. Okay, so we call it the lowest in the range. So this is the lowest point. Not this not this one. This is bullish. So we call it this is the lowest is breakdown. Like this cannot use. Okay, you can use this is the lowest in the point. Okay, okay, you can use this is the lowest in the range. This is the point. This is the lowest. So what you need to do is draw this one. So this is cross below. So this is the lowest point. So like this doesn't work. Okay, for this method doesn't work. So you don't simply go pick others method and use. Okay, we go supermax. Okay, we use supermax as an example. Okay, see is work or not. Okay, let us see any lowest point. So this might be a lowest point. So okay, I just put it bigger. Like this is the lowest point. I put a line here. So this is a candle. Okay, a candle. After that, the closing lower than this point, it will be this candle. So after that, go down. It's sudden. So it's not in this type of the position. So you don't use this method in the in this market. Yeah. So we go find another one. Just go to find any, no problem. So we just pick any example from the range here. So this is also the lowest. So we call it this is the lowest. Yeah. So I put a line here is the lowest. This is the candlestick that drop below the line. So remember, this is the lowest that you need to do. This is the A position. This is the indication lowest in the range. Okay, so this is the A. So this is the B. So this is the B. Okay, we're talking about B here. Yeah, my this one I redraw again. So the the position is not really clear. So this is the lowest point. So this candle is a candle. Okay, so this is a B candle. Doesn't break, so we take it this is the real B candle. So this is the lowest. So after the point is going up, so you make sure that the price is sitting above this position. So this big candle is a buying point. So this is one of them. So this is you can buy, you can put in your chip here. This is buying point. Okay, so you get the a little bit of the margin from this point. Okay, so this is the one of the case. So we go to see any others other stock. So this is also K plus. We use K plus as an example. Okay, K plus. So you can see that the price actually swing down and going up again, so swing down. So you can see that this is the lowest point. So this is the candlestick that we call it A. So this is A. So my drawing is not good, so apologize for that. This is A. So the price is going down again. So you're looking for the lowest. This is the lowest. So breakdown 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, doesn't matter. So you look for the B point. So the B nearest B point. So you make sure that the price shoot up again at the highest here. So this is very confirmed on the uptrend in the short term. Okay. So this is how you should go into the market and go to try. Okay. So others stock, for example, we go to any others recently, for example, AHX, so also same. So this is the lowest in the range. So you can see that the trend is downtrend, lowest in the range. So I put it here, the mark is here. So you can see that this is the candlestick that actually dropped below this lowest. Okay, after that straight away create the lowest. Okay, so this is the position that this is A. Okay, this is the position. So we wait for the candle. This is also B. So A and B sitting in the same day. So this is A and B. So in the same day. So we wait for the candle shoot up above this line. You see, shoot up this line. So after that the trend go up and stay here and go up again. So this is the A here. So it's no more suitable for the downtrend and the end of the reversal. So on the uptrend reversal or on the downtrend reversal, it's okay. So you can use this method in the trading. So here you can see that this is the first one. So you can see that blue one. I just now say the blue one is A, must be hitting the lowest in the past. So you can see that. So you can look for the B candle that is crossing above this lowest point, and then look for another one that is crossing above the highest here. So the highest here. So this is a buying point here. So this is how the method work for the trading, you see. So you see this one. So you see some trend like this. This is also the lowest, and then this is the breakout idea, breakout lowest. But the price going up, going down, so you don't buy. So you wait. Okay, as long the price doesn't sit on top of this line. Okay, this line. So I draw it this line. So it doesn't show this line, you don't buy. So you just forget about it. So don't buy. Regardless of the bullish or bearish, you don't buy. So you just wait. So this is a position for you to just wait for the trend to be to swing up before you do the this one. Okay, you clear on the position. If you clear, we go back to the 2023. Okay, so you clear. So we start with the KLCI. So we're talking about the month chart and the year chart. So we're talking about the month week chart. So we start with the week chart first. Okay. So you can see the week chart. So as just now we said that the week chart for the KLCI, we cover more to the KLCI today. Yeah. So the week chart is here. So we can see that 9 weeks. From here onward, we went to here is 9 weeks. So we just counting later on. So this is 9. You can count the 9 combination. So in the week chart, let's say we're talking about the latest here. So if every time the swing become one week is a bearish, so we are focusing. If this week is the bearish, the following week will be coming with the 3 or 2 weeks it will be a bullish. So this is how you can see that. So one, okay, one green, one red, one green, one red, one green, 2 come with 3. If this is 1, it will be a 2 and above. So this is how you forecast the KLCI trend. So after that you move to the day chart. So today cross low and going low. So starting of the day of the KLCI is not very healthy. So start low and going low. So this is you see that this is how many 6 week already on the high side. So normally we can see that the price 6 week there's a reversal here. So reverse one day and then go up again. So hopefully this is a single day. So don't look in the very short term on the trend. So we look a bit longer term for you to make the fortune. So we go back to see what happened to 2022. Yeah. So 2022 you can see that we have couple of the time that we can make very good money. So this is the okay, let me check. This is 2022. Yeah. So this is the year end, and then starting with the February here. So February we have the plantation and the energy, followed by energy sector, so that you make a little bit of the money from there. So many people make a lot of money, yeah, for this trend. So of course the industry as well. So you can see that starting with the fiberboard, logistic, after that the plantation and the energy. So four of them together. So actually you can make a little bit of the money. So all the short term. So the term the short term and the mid term end here. So is a downtrend for the couple of months and then shoot up again. So this is the new IPO stock. So on the July itself. So this is one of the very good, very easy and very good uptrend that you can take it. So this is the one, the 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 new IPO. So after that we going to the October. So it's the last one. So October, you see continue uptrend. So this is where you can see that the lowest become higher, creating a bit high. So this is we call it, this is the uptrend. So here there's you can see that there's a healthcare and then energy as well. So of course this is another small little bit here and there. So the of course the IPO stock as well. So you can see that 1 year actually you have 3 times for you to make money. So it's not bad. So it's not bad in the trading. So 1 year you can have 3 times in the 12 months to make 3 times money. Then it's very good. So in other words, how you actually, we teach you a lot of method to to verify. So in other words, actually you can very easy to use what to use DE to use DE to trade your trend, whether it's uptrend or downtrend. You can see that very clear. See, the DE is creating the lower high. So if this is a a higher low, lower high and higher low. So what happened here? So at first, of course, you can see that the downtrend is creating a lower high AD. So after that, you can see the higher low. So after that, you can just seeing that this is the better position for you to wait, okay, before the confirmation. So after that, you can see that this is swing down. So this is the trend that are very difficult for you to identify. However, you can see that this is the lower and this is the higher. If you make decision somewhere here, it is still okay. So this is the portion of the range of the trading that you can actually making money. So after that, the DE also creating the same higher high. So of course they will create the lower high first and then higher high. So this is a higher high. So there's a position that just in time for you to hitting the market. So this is uptrend, yeah. So of course here the on the healthcare side also same. So this is a higher high position. So of course it's currently sitting above the previous high. So this is also good in the sense that higher become higher already. So in the position of the fund is turning to the market. Okay, so everyone know how to use that method, and everyone know how to use this deviation expert. If you yes, you just put into the position, the chat room. So you make sure you know when is the market giving you a better opportunity comparing to the other time period. Okay, so this is the very easy for you to actually for you to search for those sector or for those stock that it might be bullish in the coming 2023. Don't make a mistake again, yeah. So this is quite easy for you to do the analysis. So don't make a mistake again. Okay, so after that what you need to do is you of course you need to compare. So in the last class I teach everyone you have to compare your index compared to the stock. Let's say which stock actually is moving ahead comparing to the to the to the KOCI, to the individual stock and all these things, yeah. So you have to do a comparison. So always we're talking about the comparison, how to compare, you see. That's important, yeah. So you see this is starting trading a bit lower, so this is still going up. So actually the what we call it, the KLCI is moving ahead of the KL help. So if today is going down and tomorrow is going up, so we can see that if this is going up earlier compared to here, so the KLCI actually move out slower compared to the KO help. Therefore, KO help might be outperform the KLCI. So that's the key thing that you have to be very sensitive on it. So you can see that from here. So what you need to look for is look for something like this. Okay. So KLCI going up, going down. So this is the position, and then you can see that the healthcare actually are moving ahead of the KLCI. So this is what we call that this sector is outperform the KLCI. So that's how you actually can make uh, better money. So when you want to sell it, also same. You can see that the KLCI actually still move ahead, but the KL held actually moving lower already. So that's how you can make the decision at this point. So KL held, it doesn't create the higher already, but KLCI is still moving higher. So after that, what you need to do is compare with your stock, your individual stock. For example, I just take 7113 as a comparison. Okay, so you can see that. So the they are most likely to move together, but when the trend ending is done. Okay, so you can see that this is moving together. So both of them actually move quite slightly in the same pattern. So however, they are moved not the same way with the KLCI. That means that the fund is going to other sector already or other stock. So you have to be very careful on how the trend is moving. Yeah. So before you make a decision to buy or to sell. So you can see Supermax as well. So Supermax, okay. So we're talking about Supermax Corporation as well. So this is higher grading, the higher point, okay. So the same thing, but yeah, they are both of them move quite slightly at the same way. So you can see that they are moving in the same direction. You see? So you have to look for those actually moving in the different direction, in the sense that you have to find that stock is outperform the stock the sector, and the sector also outperform the KLCI. Therefore, they will be the the leading of the market that you want to buy. So we have to find the leading candidate in the trading. Yeah. So you can see some others sector in the 2023. So we go see which is the worst. Okay. So you have to remember so the sector were doing bad in the 2021 2022 doesn't mean that it will be bad in 2023. So you have always remember if the trend is going down 2 years 3 years, as just now I said that it might be going lower more. But if this trend is start moving higher, so that means that the fund is starting turning to this sector already. So that's how you actually you can just what we call that the you need to do a little bit of focus on your trading. So you can see that energy is a sector that from the year 2022. So actually 2022 it doesn't do very well. Okay, 2022 from here. So we're talking about from here. So a little bit up after the war, and then a little bit of news and go up and go down again. So now it's trying to become the stronger sector for the remaining of the trading maybe in the mid of the 2023. So you can see that the price the index is going up and going down. Of course here is a thing that you have to be very careful. Okay, this is the lowest. Okay, so how low is low, how low they want to swing. Okay, this is the platform that it can be going lower at this platform, but it stop at this level, so it go up again. So you can hitting this higher point, so it might be creating the highest compared to this one. If that is a trend, and then you will be seeing that better trend, because this is trying many times already. So one time, two times, three times, this is the fourth time, fifth time. So if the fifth time cannot, then will end of the sector already. So it will be going down again. So remember, this is the technical we call that the analysis that you have to be carefully look into it. Okay, so this is the transportation. So we're talking about transportation as well. So some of the logistic company and in still, because the economy is booming, so transportation and the logistic, it might be giving a better chance, yeah, so in the fundamental itself. Okay, this is the lowest, so hitting the previous low and then going up again, so creating the a bit of lower high, a higher low here. So after that hitting the previous high, so you can compare to the KLCI just now. So this is the trend that moving ahead comparing to the KLCI. So KLCI is how many 6 week up and then going down. So this is the previous 3 weeks, 3 weeks down and 3 weeks up, so it's going a bit stronger compared to the KLCI at this point. So other sector, we talking about the industry as well. So industry, you can see that this is a sector. So we just go to compare industry. So compare to KLCI here. So this is a KLCI. This is a KL industry is a KL Pro something like that. Okay. So we talking about KL industry. Okay. So this is KL industry. You can see that the lowest. Okay, starting here. So this is not creating the previous lower, so this is swing lower already. So this is a swing higher, so it may be a week now. So after that, if this is the going downward, and then this might be a bit stronger, so you can just waiting for the trend to be changing. Okay, so this is how you move on your 2023. So you start with the analyze the market first. So make sure the Malaysian market you one day, don't worry, so don't worry so much. So uh, now we can see that some of the new face here. So Paul, and then Kelly Tan, and then SY. So SY is an old one. So yeah, good morning everyone. So just coming, Janice. Okay. So you can see that we just look for the week and at least week lah. Okay. So if this week is red color, it might be the whole week is red. So yeah, 4 day trading, this is the red color, then will be bearish for the week. So another three, we can see that two is the biggest, yeah. So the longest 2 weeks, yeah. So if hopefully this is a single week, So you can see that the timing is very important. So this week is let's say this is a bearish. So the next week is bullish, and then one week and a half or 2 weeks. So after that will be Chinese New Year. So it might be a Chinese New Year trend for you, or after the Chinese New Year, same like last year. Okay, remember last year, before the Chinese New Year, a little bit of movement, and just after 1 day after the Chinese New Year, the market is boom. Okay, so why? Okay, so this is very important. So you have to go to the week first. After that, you go to the day chart. So no worry so much about the day movement. So that make your life easier in the trading. So you will every day look into the day chart. Then you will be difficult for you to maintain your momentum in the trading. You see, you are quite worried about the price going down 1 day, going up 2 days, and all these things. Okay, so that's the another sector I want to cover for today. So I will cover little bit on Thursday as well. So we cover about plantation. So plantation is the sector that for the year, at least will give you a little bit of hope to make money. Yeah. So this year, last year already have a very bullish plantation year. So it's hugely on the end of the March to May. So this is the plantation sector. So remember, plantation is a cycle sector. Yeah, so it's not we can see that moving all the time up. So it's the consumer product on the cycle. So this is a very unique sector for Malaysia market. Okay, so you can see that this is the lowest hitting here. So you can use, just now I teach you the ABC method as well on the plantation. No problem, we can use that as well in the sector as well. So plantation will be outlook for 2023. Is it that is what you are looking for as well? So you can see that this is a huge one and going down and then going up again. So if this is the 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 market that we're looking for, you are just waiting for this lower, not swing lower than this point. So you're just waiting for the lower to swing. How low is low? Not be break down this line. So this is a 50% of the bigger candlestick. Just now I end at this point. So it's not sitting here and then go up. There will be a bit better position. So must be sitting above here. Okay, so this is the plantation. So you can see that the DE, the fund is coming in. So the fund is coming in the very early. So remember that. So you have to know where is the divert of the investor fund. You see, so if today they like to put into the technology, tomorrow they put into the health, and then the next day they put into to the the industry, it's very hard for them, not for you. Okay, so remember, it's very hard for them, not for you. Oh, of course for you it's very harder because every day move, then you are very hard to trade as well. But for them it's very hard to move it out as well. So be careful and remember that the fund divergence of the divert of the fund, okay, is show in the divergence. Okay, so you can see, you can find any others divergent this indicator to help you uh, to identify whether the stock actually receiving the investor fund or not. If yes, then will be a better chance for you. Okay, so you can see that this is how you can move on the 2023. So on Thursday I will cover the rest of the industry. So don't put a lot of hope on the technology. So there's people a lot put a lot of hope on the technology. As long as the US stock is still not stable, so I don't see that technology will give you a very good year ahead. So that's how you actually need to focus. So if this is happen still in the range of this is the sideways. So you need to see that this is the end of the technology. So you at least need about 1 to 2 years time to start again. So this is end 2021 in November. So the faster or the earliest of this trend will be move on again. It will be end of the 2023. So if the earliest will be mid of the 2023. So don't put a lot of hope on the those downtrend. So as earlier as this class I also said, borrow this Jim Roger. So he said the trend, the investment world, the trend and doesn't the downtrend doesn't end with 4 or 5 years. So you might end up 10 to 15 years. So we are talking about very short already. So we're talking about 2 years, you see. So for the great investor, they're talking about 5 years, 10 years low only they want to do. So always remember when I give you classes, I teach you I looking for the 10 years low. Okay, so any stock that I want to do, I want to look for the trend is going 10 years low or the 10 times lower than the previous price. Okay, 10 times. Okay, so if the 10 years low apply, so we look for the 10 years low, and then using the ABC method, 0 1 2 3 method, or whatever bottom method you can use here to try to get it. Okay, so after that I look for the price that 10 times lower than the highest price. So if the 10 times lower, and then you have the opportunity, the biggest, the better opportunity for you, because the room itself, the space itself for you is better. So because if 10 times uh, 10 times down, okay, I put it 10 times down. So 10 times down, you have you increase 10%, you'll get about 1 time. Okay, that's the possibility that you can make into in the trading. So this is important. Yeah. So after that, we cover a bit on the how the other market moving. So Hong Kong. So for the New Year, Hong Kong also it's a gap down and then open at a bit lower and then shoot up again now. So Hong Kong market, as I say, is still uncertain. So it's uncertain and still go up and down, going up and down. So it's still a sideways market. So whether want to break out this lowest, or you want to see the lowest on the 2020 and end. So these are two direction that the the market will be look alike. So of course the opening of the China tourists will be booming a bit of the sector for the Hong Kong market. Okay, so it's not very huge, but it's a little bit. Okay, so there will be a Hong Kong market. So not much. I don't cover about Hong Kong market. So take a look of the the previous week of the Nasdaq. Okay. So still the same. So moving a bit lower and creating the lowest. So lower low is happen and higher low also happen in the small range. So you have to be very careful if you want to do this technology. So hopefully the trend will be changed at least sideways, at least sideways. So that make you better chance to move on if you want to do the tech industry. So if not, go switch to the other industry as well. Okay, we're talking about New York Stock Exchange as well. So S&P and other sector is moving a bit the same. So also creating the lower become lower. Okay, so the higher also become lower higher. So there's a thing that you have to be very careful on that. So a little bit push up on the last trading. Okay, so it doesn't have anything. So the trend itself is not look good for the year of the US stock. So you can see that the US stock actually how many years low. So after the SARS, okay, after the SARS, after the COVID and all these things, and the trend end with the 2021 November. So after the November, the trend is seem that going to be a downtrend for US stock. So you want to do long the market, so you have to be extra careful. So you need to do the downtrend reversal, so not the uptrend reversal. So you want to short the market, yes, you can go into the US market and short the market. Okay, so that will be from the bigger market around the region, okay, in the world. Okay, we go back to Malaysia market. Yeah, so for those who join me, you have any question or any stock you want to diagnose, you can just key in. So key in your stock code and the period and your holding position, so I can take some time to look into it. Okay. Okay, so anyone want to look into it? So we can see that the market is still trying stable. Okay, going down. It's okay. So the small cap is still moving up. So the KLCI is open a bit low and going lower. Okay, so it's a low. Okay, so for the this healthcare market, I think it's still on the sideways. Yeah, so it might be waiting for the 11 o'clock. So open a bit high and going down a bit low. So if today can cross a bit higher, then will be a good chance for you to try in the healthcare market. Okay, so this is 10:30, so it's not today sentiment is not very good. So hopefully it's open a bit higher for after 11. Yeah, so after 11, if it shoot up, then will be better chance for the KL help. So still got a lot of I mean the help the opportunity is there. So you can take closely on this market. So still hitting the previous high and a little bit of swing low. Hopefully it's not too low. So after that you can have a better chance for the healthcare this industry. So many people make money from the healthcare. Yeah. Okay, nobody buy stock, is it? So everyone is doing the the analysis now. So good. So try and after you learn, you try. Yeah, so you try to do analysis on that. Okay, so anyone want to ask, I give you opportunity to ask question, or everyone follow my class already become expert, no need to ask question, that's very better. So you can have a better knowledge and you can do your own analysis. Yeah, so take a bit of look. So today not many opportunity. So you can see that a few of them cross above 5% from here. So Mohiba is the last one. So you can see Mohiba and then Hesta. So Hesta still try to move more than 18 baht. So still creating a bit higher. You want to chase, but have to be extra careful. Yeah. So it's creating a new high today. So Hesta. So at end of at the highest previous high is 17.9. So today break out the previous high. So how long is it? This is just less than 3 months. So it's a bit careful. Yeah. So less than 3 months. Okay. So give me the product the candidate number. Yeah. So we're talking about 4383. 4383. Okay. So Mr. Tai talking about the plantation going for the uptrend. So you can see that this is the one of the plantation sector. So majority the business in Nigeria. Okay. So the hub is in that area. So you can see this is the lowest. So if we're talking about the lowest point in the previous one, you can use this is the lowest, and then you can use this is the ABC method you can use. So you hit this candle, so you hit this candle because this is the breakdown of the lowest. Okay, so this is the bullish candle. You can see this is the lowest, so this is a breakout, and you can make a little bit on the market for this trading range. Okay, so same here, okay, it doesn't create the lowest, you cannot use the ABC method, okay, not all the position you use, so not all the position here, okay, here no, okay, so not using that. You want to use this is the lowest and then break down at this level, so you use this, okay, so this is the B, and then this is the C, and then you buy here. So this is how you actually use it. Okay, followed by the trend of the funding. So the funding is very important. You have to see the investor, how the investor swing the the fund, where they want to put in, divert the fund. If they divert the fund to this sector or this stock, you have to look into it. So there will be the little bit of the uptrend. So on this particular stock, so what you need to do is still on the level of this area. So after break out this area, there will be shooting up a bit bigger. What we call it, the range of the trading that you have, the area of value is bigger. So from here, maybe end of the somewhere in the box here. So this is the area of value we are talking about. So if the plantation is shooting up, so this stock is going to this area of value. So we're talking about the area of value. So hitting about the 80 to 90 cent. Okay. So before going to 1.1. So this is a normally this stock, how this stock moving. So all the time this stock is moving from the below 50 and then go to 80 and then go to 120, or and then they end here. So they will go start again. So if you know how, you're familiar with the stock, you know how to trade, it's actually not that not that difficult. uh, people always say that it's hard to trade, and I go tell you, for example, this stock. So you can go back and see the pattern. Okay, so always moving in the area of value of the 50 cent, okay, 80 cent, and 1 ringgit and 20 cent. Okay, for many years already. So if the price drop here, you buy and they shooting this area. If the price reversal and shooting here, and then you buy here. So the trend end here. So you want to make money, you make about 100% in the range of this year. So there will be 100% giving you a chance. So how much you can take? So you can take 30%. That's your ability. If you take 20%, that's your ability. Yeah. So that will be the what we call it, the 4383. So next one we're talking about the 0257. Yeah. So give me the code. I don't type the alphabet. Yeah. So give me a code. Okay. So this is the unifier. So this is DI funk. Okay. So I think in the earliest of August or end of July, so I also cover up this stock. So if this stock is still hitting low, and lower, so it might be give you a little bit of opportunity. But at the moment, if this stock is trying to go in, hitting the higher point here, so you make sure that the lowest doesn't hitting this area. If hitting this area, the trend is end. So this is what I say in the August time. Okay, you want to hit this stock. So this is where you have to be very careful with this type of trading, and this stock is not really active here. So if you can, move to other stock. Okay, I don't say this is the best stock. I don't encourage. I don't have a call buy and call sell, but this is the pattern that you can read from the candlestick. Okay. Okay. Dr. Wong. Okay, 520 YX. Okay, this is a new stock as well. IPO. New IPO stock. So we need to extra careful with the end of the IPO, new IPO. So the trend is still moving upward. So it's still a very cheap price, and you make sure the volume is there. Okay, this is lower. This is the lowest, lower. So higher low happen, and be careful with this one. So if If the trend doesn't move out of this candlestick, excuse me. Sorry. Near the office. I lost my voice for a long time now. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I'm back. Very sorry. So I lost my voice. Okay. So this is a lower. This is a lower. This is a lower. So again, don't let the market cheat you. Okay. So this is a candlestick. Yeah, you have to extra careful. Okay. So what happened is this is the very big bearish. As long as the trend doesn't move on top of this, you only can trade in the range of this one. So it's extra careful. And then especially the T chart is moving something like this. It's very hard for you to see it's a better chance because this is only a 2 bit only, so up and down only. So this is a 2 bit chart. So if there's a 2 bit chart, try not to enter, not to do it. So this is a 2 bit chart, so it's not very healthy. Okay, Johnson bought at the 523N at the and target to sell at 0206. Okay, 8 523N, yeah. So Asia X, okay, so you're moving a very good trend. Okay, Johnson make every year making money, yeah, for the for the rest of the members. Johnson actually make the every year making money. Okay, as I know. So I also witness that he actually making the whole year round making money. So he don't target a very big huge gap. He also don't changing the uptrend. So he actually have a very good strategy and discipline to do so. Okay, you can see that they buying at the 505 somewhere here. So we're talking about somewhere here 505. So hitting about 608. So don't put yourself as a target is good. If 608 is here, so this is the highest. If the price doesn't likely to hit higher, how you want to do is you actually have to wait for the you see the industry, the market itself. If the market start turning low and then turn to the low point, lower low especially. So this is a stronger compared to the market and the sector. If the any sector and the market is moving that direction, so you have to take extra careful. The moment there you can see the swinging or the reversal, you have to take profit already, or you take half of your profit. That's okay. Okay, so you make a good choice and a good target as well. Okay, Evan, 5309. So 5309, what you want to do with okay, 5309. Okay, so this is a new stock, new IPO. So nothing much. You can see the IPO, the new stock. So the trend itself is not many. You can digest from here. So new stock is two direction. We're talking about the new stock. If the stock moving up, you just follow up. If the stock doing down, you just wait. You just wait for the stock to turn it to the uptrend. So turn to uptrend. So this is the what we call it for the new stock. The new IPO stock is very easy. When you're up, you just go up. When the price swing, then you take the money. So the strategy is not difficult, but not I not fancy with the new IPO. Yeah. So you want to do new IPO? I also said in the previous class, in the in the in the open class or in the member class or whatever. So to do IPO stock, the trend is uptrend, everyone follow. The trend is downtrend, everyone have to follow because the biggest the biggest investor in this 6 months, they cannot do anything. Okay, so you only can follow the market movement. That's all. Okay, so it's important. Yeah. So on the this is on the this IPO new stock. So Madam Tay on the 9326. Okay, 9326. LB. Okay, LB you bought at the 406. Okay, 460. 0460. So good. So at least you are making money. Yeah. So you will see the trend here. If the this industry and the metal sector is start moving down, so you can just take money lah. Don't hold too long. You want to do at the short term. Even do a mid long term, you have to take care of your margin. So what I always teach the member is the student is you making money here, you sideways about 6 months, so you lost about the opportunity cost. Yeah, you have to measure your opportunity cost for the number of months. You don't know how long is a sideways, so that is the first thing. You need to measure it. Secondly, you're making about 30% here. If you want to do a midterm, the price might be swing at the support level of the 15%, for example. This is not big, so we swing down about 15%. The lowest is 30%. Where is your take win? You should take win here, or you should take win at this point. If the price is moving again, break out this point, you buy again. So there's a strategy that you have to really put into your trading. You don't simply do. At the moment you make money already. You not many, but you make money. Important for the trading is you make money. Okay, you're making money. Okay, what you need to do is you need to take into the consideration of your margin. how how much margin that you can just throw back to the market is really important. If you make about 50%, 70, 80, 19, and 100%, you can throw back about 30%. Okay, to me, maximum I can throw back to the market is 30%. Okay, that's the max. Okay, I don't want to do more than that. If you want to do long term or mid term, I my position is 30%. So before I throw back 30%, I have to make about 60%, right? You don't make 60%, how you throw back 30%. So that's very important. Okay, for madam, very good, making good money on that. So hopefully this year you'll make more money. Yeah. So another stock for the for the this long term. Okay, so this is no not active. So this stock not active. So you put a lot of money, you want to sell also difficult, you see. So you just let it go because this stock is not active, and the sign is showing that uptrend. So you want to take long trend, long term buying is the same. So you bought about 1.3, still same. So you not make a very huge money, but you have to be very careful with the reversal, the swing low. How low is low, and how much your margin throw back to the market. That's important. So we will take money first. We don't want to for those people who want to do long term. So many people try to do long term. End of the day, they make no money. For example, we just talking about Inari. Okay, I know many investors out there. They try to do Inari at this time. Okay, this time. So after they do at this point, so they hit, although they put in money here and here, they average down somewhere this area. So if you do at the 2.2, for example, 2.2, so at the moment I just say that you buy at the lowest and then highest. Okay, so you make 18% from the range of the trading. This is the area value at the 18%. Okay, so at the 18% now you throw back to the market is 6%. So actually you're making about 12% only. So actually you're spending about how many months? From the October until now. So you're spending 3 months and waiting the long term. So you're waiting for the next trend to going up. If that is the trend to going up, if no trend, then will be going down as well. So then if no uptrend, then of course definitely a downtrend. So you will may lose more. So my advice is you have to look into your pocket. How deep is your pocket before you make a decision you want to do long term? Yeah, for those market, for those people who like to do average down, average up, and do a long term in the trading. It's not difficult for you to sell, and then you buy it again at this point. It's not difficult. As long you make money, you are you are you have a deeper pocket to buy at this point. If you lose money or you just hold a long term, you go do your hard earned money and you put it here again. You try to average again, average again, average again, and then end of the day, actually you every time you do average and then you not making any money. Okay. Okay, that's the end of the today. So thank you very much for those joining. So for those who just joined, you can try to just go see the the recorder. So you like my channel, just give me a like, press the button like. Okay, so that give me more inspiration to do better in the trading. Yeah, and the life as well. So hopefully my cough is over after the new year, so I can have a better performance on the this teaching. Yeah. So thank you for those who join me. So have a good year ahead of the 2023. So I see you on Thursday on cover others method on the Thursday. Okay. Okay. Thank you. See you again.